Good evening. Good evening. We welcome you to our ongoing program. We will start the program in few minutes time. CPR Environmental Education Center, Chennai welcomes you to our ongoing program, Our Environment, Our Lifeline. Today the topic is coastal and marine ecosystem. The coastline, the seashore, is the place where the land meets the sea. The world's coastline is 3,12,000 kilometers, 1,93,000 miles long. India's coastline is 8,000 kilometers long. The coastal waters account for 8% of the ocean surface, around 14% of global ocean production, 80% of the global organic matter burial, 90% of the global sedimentary mineralization, 75 to 90% of the global sink of suspended river load and its associated elements, pollutants. The Indian coastline, the Gujarat region, the west coast, the east coast, and the islands. Fact 5. India's coastline is 7th longest in the world. 1/5 of the population lives along the coast. Gujarat has the longest coastline. 3 of the 4 metropolitan cities are on the coast. Living on the coast. Around the world, nearly 1 billion people live along the coast. Of the 25 cities with populations above 9 million, 15 are on the coast. Coastal ecosystems. India has a variety of natural coastal ecosystems that are delicate, fragile, and rich in biodiversity, like mangroves, coral reefs, estuaries, and deltas. The living seas. The coastal environment supports a great variety of life forms. The marine biodiversity of India is outstanding in the entire South Asian region. Types of seashores. Muddy shores, rocky shores including coral reefs, sandy shores. Fact 5. 29 species of freshwater turtles and tortoises, 5 species of marine turtles are found in India. Dugongs occur in relatively large numbers in the Gulf of Mannar and Park Bay. Some species of whales like false killer whale, Balanoptera, humpbacked whales have also been reported. Of the 33,100 species of fish found in the world, 2,799 are found in India. That is 11.8% in the world. Mangroves, specially adapted, salt-tolerant plant community, characterized by dark green foliage, and a network of many stilt-like roots, generally found along the coastlines of tropical and subtropical regions. Total area as on 2011 survey in the world 1,50,000 square kilometers. In India 4,921 square kilometers. Role of mangrove ecosystem: protects the coast from erosion. Stilt-like roots catch silt mud deposits at the mouths of streams. Supports a vast range of biodiversity. Natural sewage treatment plant and absorbs pollution, including heavy metals. Reasons for degradation of mangroves: dependence of coastal population on mangroves for domestic fuel needs, decreased freshwater discharge and increased salinity, unchecked expansion of salt pans, industrial pollution, encroachments and conversion for aquaculture, developmental activities. Corals have existed for close to 500 million years. Colonies of tiny animals are called coral polyps. Corals. In India, corals are found in Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Mannar, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands. India has 18,000 square kilometers of corals, while the global presence of coral reefs is estimated at 1.5 lakh square kilometers. Uses of coral reefs: remove and recycle carbon dioxide, protect the shore from erosion, home to over 4,000 species of fish, 800 species of coral, and thousands of other forms of plant and animal life. Act as filters for organic materials, account for 12% of the marine fish catch, potential source of anti-cancer drugs. Coral skeletons are used as bone substitutes. Corals are threatened by destructive fishing practices, widespread overfishing, nutrient-laden sewage, shoreline construction, tourism and tourist, climate change. Life on the reef. The most colorful and diverse groups of fish are found on the reef. Bright colors and bold and distinctive patterns. Coastal resources: salt, oil and natural gas, tourism, tidal energy. Coastal resources: ports and harbors. The total commercial marine catch for India has stabilized over the last 10 years at between 1.4 and 1.6 million tons. Coastal pollution: siltation, oil spill, industrial effluents, sewage. Fact 5. Nearly 8,000 industries are releasing their effluents into the Indian coastal waters. About 390 million tons of industrial effluents are released annually. Industrial pollution is high in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. The Indian coastline is vulnerable to erosion along the coasts of Kerala and Karnataka. Indiscriminate construction for tourism in Goa, Mahabalipuram, and Kovalam have accelerated coastal erosion. Coastal pollution in India. Coastal pollution in India arises primarily from the following sources: domestic waste, industrial effluents, agricultural runoff, other sources, shipping activity, offshore exploration and exploitation, infrastructural development. Plastic pollution, facts and figures. 10 to 20 million tons of plastic end up in our oceans every year, according to a report released by the World Watch Institute in 2015. 5.25 trillion estimated number of plastic particles currently floating around in world's oceans. $13 billion estimated loss per year due to the negative impact of plastic debris on marine ecosystems. Saltwater intrusion in coastal aquifers. How does it happen? Due to urbanization and growing population, the groundwater is pumped out excessively without recharging. Results in intrusion of salt water into the fresh water. Solutions: over-exploitation of groundwater should be stopped. Recharge and implementation of proper rainwater harvesting systems to increase the infiltration of rainwater into the aquifers is essential. Minimize wastage of water. Awareness campaigns. Salt water intrusion in coastal areas is illustrated here. Marine protected areas. Indian coasts have a large variety of sensitive ecosystems. They are the spawning grounds and nurseries of a number of commercially important fish, gastropods, and crustaceans. Marine protected areas in India comprise national parks and wildlife sanctuaries declared in coastal wetlands, especially mangroves, coral reefs, and lagoons under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. There are a total of 25 marine protected areas in peninsular India and 106 in islands of India with a total area of 5,318.9 square kilometers, which is very small, 3.4% compared to the total extent of the protected areas in the country. Marine protected areas, states, name of the area, category. Marine protected areas continued. Suggestions to protect coastal environment, cleaning program, public awareness, set standards for effluent discharge, minimize use of pesticides, strict implementation of polluter pays principle, strict implementation of laws pertaining to coastal zone management before establishing new industrial units on the coast. Resource materials developed by CPR Environmental Education Center. Posters, the coral reefs, save it. The mangrove ecosystem, protect mangroves. Further, booklets, Pallavi and the coral reef, Muttu and the mangroves, coastal and marine ecosystem. Please write your suggestions and feedback to our official email ID cpreec@gmail.com. To join the next meeting, link will be shared shortly to your email ID and WhatsApp. Thank you all. The session is open now for the remaining minutes. Please unmute yourselves and join us for discussion. Thank you for your participation. You can unmute and come to us for discussion.
You're not able to listen. You're not able to. சொல்லுங்க சார்.
Sudhakar sir.
Yes, please. Hello. Yes.
Sir, can you please explain about oil spills?
Huh?
Like we used to have in Chennai, like I think for two times we had oil spills in Chennai.
Pollution from industries and ships and oil spills கூட ஒண்ணுதான். Refineries எல்லாமே.
Refineries. Okay. No,
oil spills is also there. அது வந்து ஜெனரல் பொல்யூஷன்ல வந்திருக்கும். ஹார்பரல் ஆக்டிவிட்டில போட்டுருக்கோம் பாருங்க. அதுல கோஸ்டல் இன் ஹார்பர்ஸ்ல ஆயில் ஸ்பில்ஸ் இருக்கும் ஸ்லைட்ல.
அது பார்த்தேன் சார், பார்த்ததால தான் கேக்குறேன். இப்போ நம்ம பப்ளிக் அவேர்னஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா இதுல. ஆனா இப்ப நம்ம எண்ணூர்ல ஆயில் ஸ்பில் ஆன டைம்ல வந்து ஆயில் ஸ்பின் ஆன டைம்ல வந்து நம்ம என்ன அவேர்னஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணோன்றத நம்ம எல்லாருமே பார்த்தோம். நம்ம மக்கள் எல்லாம் கையில எடுத்து பக்கெட்ல போட்டுக்கிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. So அந்த
that is actually this is the first time we had in on the near the coastline. Inside வந்து நடந்தது வேற. Inside the sea நடக்கிறது வந்து ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வந்து நம்ம will spray some dust or sand எல்லாம் போட்டு செட்டில் பண்றது பண்ணுவோம். இங்க வந்து இந்த கோஸ்ட்ல அடிச்சிட்டு when it washed ashore and people didn't know in the beginning. And they as in Tamil Nadu or anywhere in India, or people have the curiosity of going and taking it out and immediately pouring out. Even if a lorry or anything which meet with an accident in the roadside with diesel, they'll go and immediately try to get in the bucket. That is the tendency of people. It is not cleaning thing they took. Ennur people, they wanted to collect the diesel from that.
Oh, okay.
That was the real story behind it. And it was projected as if it was cleaned by bucket. And then the disaster team people came, and it was totally the CPCL people and all the people, oil companies came and did their regular cleaning activities.
Oh, okay. The newspaper only projected this only, like people are coming and taking.
Yes, sometimes the news people will give good information. Sometimes it may lead the truth is also been suppressed.
Oh, okay.